What's up, family? We're making pineapple fried rice. So let me let you all know what we have. I'm gonna pull up the Built by Plans coaching app. This app is exclusive to all of our coaching clients. If you all want to lose some weight, build some muscle, and do so in a predictable way with a dope app that lets you track all your calories and such and gives you your full meal plan so you don't got to enter it all with MyFitnessPal, tap the link in the bio. So here we go. We have 40 grams of green onions, some Uncle Ben's, a coconut jasmine rice. You can use whatever rice you want, but I really enjoy the coconut jasmine rice. I have a few extra calories. Probably end up using 2 cups of that, so that might double. And then I have a serving size of the Just Egg, which is 44 grams, and possible sausage. Now you can use whatever protein source you all want. You can use tofu, you can use like lentils, whatever you want to do. Got 100 grams of pineapple, the onions, 75 grams of that, and then some bell pepper. I may be adding a few extra ingredients as I go on. Not exactly sure, but you all will be able to see. You can play around. You don't have to use exactly this. You can use completely different ingredients. Do what you want to do, all right? But that's what we're doing.